Welcome back on Digital Toolcase. Finally, I got access to the new ClickFunnels 2.0 platform, and in this video I will show you the new tool from the inside, and as you can see I already am in the new ClickFunnels 2.0 dashboard. But before, I want to show you how you can access to this new platform and try it for free for 30 days. You need to click on the link you find below my video in the description. If you are watching this video before October 10th, 2022, you will reach this page. This page is the 5 days your first funnel challenge. You can join this challenge for free. It will last 5 days. You will participate to this big launching event for ClickFunnels 2.0. When you will reach this page, you can see all the guests, all the speakers you can learn from. And this is absolutely free, so I highly suggest you to join. When you join this challenge, you have the chance to gain access to 30 days free trial of the new ClickFunnels platform. How you can do it? Once you insert your email here, you will reach this other page where you can choose to upgrade to VIP. As you can see here, instantly unlock your 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels 2.0 plus lifetime access to the challenge, VIP laser coaching and more. When you click here, you have some options. One of them is to pay nothing and try ClickFunnels 2.0 for 30 days. It's what I did because I was really curious to see the platform and to record this video and show you how it is. And I have to say they have done a really great job. I only have one concern and I will tell you later in this video. Anyway, when you subscribe, you will need to insert some data, so they will prepare this workflow for you. And then very easy here, as you can see, it's totally different from the old ClickFunnels. If you never saw it, maybe find some YouTube videos where you can see the old interface, the old platform is completely different. And I have to say it's quite intuitive to use. As you can see here, there is a welcome to CF 2.0 with a video. You can watch it to understand how the platform is. Then you have all this checklist of steps to guide you inside the new platform. You need to set up your funnel hub. Funnel hub is your site, is your main page, is all your data. Then you need to set up your blog. I still haven't set up my blog because I want to show you very quickly how it's done. Set up a blog. Let's click here, and as you can see now, ClickFunnels 2.0 let you create your blog. So their goal is to be all your business, all you need for your business in a single app, in a single box, let's say like this. I'm not really a great fan of this thing, so to have a site, a blog, funnels all in the same place, but for someone it can be really useful to have all in one app. So you only need to pay one app, so you only need to learn one app, and so on. These are two example articles. If I enter in one of these, as you can see, this interface opens up. This is the part where you choose your title, your summary, your featured image, your SEO and sharing data, SEO page title, and so on. All you need for your SEO, the URL of your article, and so on. Here again you have tags and other things. You can choose if it's public or draft. Very quickly you can edit your post content, clicking here. And I have to see it's a little bit glitchy, this part. Sometimes it takes a while to load, and in this moment it's not loading. This is not good, but I think they need to fix this little bug. So let's go in another part of the blog. Let's, for example, click on customize. Let me see here. Again, I'm reaching this page, so it's the same. Let me try with the new blog post, for example, if I want to add a new post. Okay, here I can insert my blog title, my summary, and featured image, and so on, where I can create post here by clicking here. Again, I'm not a big fan of creating blogs inside this kind of platforms. It's something you can do, but I always suggest you to use WordPress for this kind of thing, because you can customize it really well as you want. I don't really like to use blogs inside these platforms, and I see there is still some bug in the blog part. Let's hope they will fix it really soon. Now I am again in the dashboard. As you can see here, the next step will be create your first course, because you can also create courses inside ClickFunnels, set up funnels, workflows, emails, and so on. This is the main menu. As you can see here, I have a site and funnels, where you can customize your general funnel hub. This is something like a website, so it's your business website. I click on preview here. I set up this already with a general theme. This is the default theme they give you when you create this. Then you can obviously edit and customize it. Here, by clicking customize, you enter in the editor, and I will talk about the editor in a few minutes. But let's go again in the dashboard. I want to show you all the other tools you have here inside the ClickFunnels 2.0. You have your products section, where you can insert your products that you want to sell for your business. It may be a digital product or a physical product, because you can do also e-commerce, or maybe sell your products inside your funnels. You have the orders part here, where you can see all the orders data. You have your contacts, so your leads. This is an example one. Then you have your analytics. I obviously don't have any analytics to show you here, because I don't have an active funnel. Anyway, you can create even from here a funnel or a workflow. A workflow is an email workflow here in the marketing part. And as you can see here, before creating a marketing email workflow, I need to insert my business data. Okay, I filled this form with some data. This is important because this data will appear on the bottom of your email marketing. This is by law, so you need to insert this data. As you can see, will be displayed at the bottom of your emails to comply with international spam laws. Then you can insert your text for the unsubscribe part. Let's say like this. You can hide the powered by branding. This is the little icon of ClickFunnels that will show up in your emails. So you can decide with this plan to hide it. And then you need to insert your company email address. Okay, let me see if I now can save this data. Perfect. Now you can manage your email addresses here and even your topics. I don't really know what these mean. These are categories to group content for your customers and help them find relative contents. Okay. Now here I can now create a new workflow. I'm watching this for the first time, so it's really a first view even for me of this new platform. So let's try to click on add a new workflow. Here, let's give it a name, test workflow. Okay, run type, let's use only one run per contact, create workflow. Okay, and now I'm inside a classic workflow, an email workflow to automate email marketing. As you can see here, I have a little preview. I can even choose my size here. So I need to, for example, insert a trigger here, add a trigger. I can choose if it's active or not, event type, for example, an opt-in. So when someone opt-in in my form in the funnel, this trigger will start this workflow. I can choose a funnel. I don't have any funnel at the moment, but you can choose the funnel and you can choose the page. So getting started with your blog, you can choose one of your pages that you have inside your account where your lead will go after signing up, and so on. When you create the trigger, you can close this one. You can, for example, add something here, and you have a send email, you have a coming soon send a sequence of emails. At the moment this is not active, but I think in next days it will be. You have a conditional split path, split your workflow into two paths based on set conditions. In this example it will be like this, so you can set up a condition here. This is quite common. You can filter by all these kind of data and so on. You can choose and or conditional split. Okay. Then you can add something else here, split test. You can do split test. You can insert a delay before sending maybe another email. In this case, as you can see, okay, you can choose, for example, after 1 day, so a 1 day delay. Okay, now I can insert something else, trigger another workflow and the path. I can tag contact, I can add a note, notify, I can insert a webhook, I can enroll in a course, and as you can see, there are some of these things that are not active as of today. Create a task, create affiliate, third-party integration. They will be in the near future. Here is where you build a workflow. Now I will not build it entirely because I don't have a funnel and I don't want this video to be too long. It's just to show you how it works. Nothing special here. It's something you can do in any email marketing tool. Well, yes, it's already integrated inside your funnel, so it will be easy for you to use it here instead of an external tool. Anyway, nothing super special here. You can manage your workflows here. You can create your broadcasts. You have email templates. You have your countdown timers. This is to create countdown campaigns, so campaigns with a deadline, and here you have all your marketing settings. This is for the email marketing part. Here you have your sales when you sell your products, and here you have all your settings of the entire platform. So you have your image, your logo, your domain. You can have a domain like this, for example, digitaltoolcase.myclickfunnels.com, or you can connect your main domain. Obviously, you have other kind of sections, but now I want to show you one of the most important part, and it's the funnel builder. So as you can see here in your funnel hub, you can configure your main site and customize it. You can customize your blog. You have your customer center, and here you have your pages. Pages are not funnel pages, are independent pages that you can insert in your main site. You have URL redirects, you have your domains, your URLs, your courses. Here, if you want to build your course, you can choose between a blank course, a basic course, a nested course, and I think other templates will come. Let me try to choose this one. You can give your course your title. Let me try to do this. Here you can choose your URL, create course. This can't be blank, I need to choose a theme. There is only one at the moment, select theme. I see some little glitches, some little bugs, but I think they will be fixed in the next days when the official release will come. So let me create a course, okay. And here is where you can create your course, upload your videos, I think. This is the test course. Here is where you decide to publish your course. I think just by clicking here, I can... Okay, here is where you create your modules in your course and add your lessons. So here, for example, the module 1, I think you can edit the module 1 data. Perfect, and then you can insert, for example, a lesson here, add a lesson. Let's call it lesson 1. Here is the URL, the path, thumbnail, audio settings, video settings for the lesson, create lesson. So if I now enter in module 1, as you can see, I already had some example lesson here. Let me see how they are. Edit settings, edit content here. Okay. It's quite intuitive to use, I have to say. I like how the platform is. There is still some little bug, some glitch, but I think they will fix it very soon. As you can see, you can choose, you can build entirely your lesson layout here. For example, you can choose this video. Okay, now I see here only lesson content can be edited on this page. To edit surrounding content, edit the lesson template page. So here you can only create a section. So this is the content. For example, you want to add a full page. Okay, and here it's like building your pages with other site builders. You can add a new row, for example, one column. Here you can insert your element, and this is how you edit your pages. If you want to edit your template, you need to click here, edit template, and here you can define your course template. And maybe I will do other videos about this, but really every page you edit inside the ClickFunnels 2.0, it's the same. So you will always use your editor. And to show you editor, I want to go, for example, here in my overview, in my main page, and click on Customize. Okay, now let's talk about the editor, because I think they have made a really good job. Here you can edit your header, so clicking on edit section, you can decide what you want to insert here in your header. For example, here you can edit this section. And I want to show you all the options you have. Click in Edit section. Now I can work on this specific section. And if I want, for example, to modify something, I can click here and just write something. For example, as you can see, here you have some editing tools. Then by just hovering your element, you can see this orange tool, and by clicking, for example, here on these settings, as it was in the previous version of ClickFunnels, you can open your settings bar. And I have to say, you have quite everything here to manage and customize your elements. You can decide your padding, so this is the distance, top, bottom, left, right, very easy. You have a margin to manage the position. You have your style, so small, medium, large, extra large. These are quick ways to configure your elements without going inside and defining every single little step. So you have some quick presets. You can define your color, for example. You can choose everything. You can insert a shadow. You can insert an icon. Maybe here is not the place to insert an icon. Anyway, you have also advanced settings. You can dynamically populate this data. You can choose other advanced options, and I saw here you also have render condition. This is interesting because I think you can create some conditions and choose when to show and when to not show some part of this page by clicking on Visit Closest Condition Settings. I don't really know how this is used, how to generate a condition, to create a condition. I will check on the help section, but I think this is really interesting. You also can insert a CSS, header code, footer code. One thing I like, let's see here on the button, again, you can choose many things for your buttons. So what happens when someone click the button? Nothing happens. Go to a URL, submit an order form, scroll to, show or hide, open pop-up, close pop-up, mark complete, redirect to next step if it's a funnel. And again, you can edit your styles, insert an icon. Before, by changing the color, you can see the icon appears. You can choose one of these other icons. For example, choose the icon size. You can even insert an icon after the text. Again, let me change the color. As you can see, you can customize your buttons as you like. I think you have also effects in some of these tabs. You can add custom attributes. Even the button can be dynamically populated. You have again a different kind of buttons already here, so you can choose a template or you can modify it as you want. You can editing as you want. You also have conditions here. Here you have different styles to choose from, and here you can edit your different styles, so you can customize them as you want. Let me try to insert something else. So let's say I want to add element in condition, for example, add element below condition, so you can even do this kind of things. Let me add an element, a classic element. Here I want to insert, for example, and here you can see all the elements you have: headline, subheadline, paragraph, bullet list, image, video, video pop-up, button, select box, audio, input, icon, divider, navigation, URL, custom JavaScript or HTML, breadcrumbs, countdown. I think this will be a countdown where you can choose if it's evergreen, for example. Okay, perfect. Add element. Again, you have collection, category, blog post authors, download link, download image, collection. You have all the elements relative to the course section, the modules, the lessons. I like the fact that you can insert these elements even if this is not a course page. You can choose to insert these elements anyway, and it's something that in other tools you can't do. Let me insert, for example, where it is an input field. This is what you use, for example, to grab your leads emails. So if you click on settings here, you can choose if it's email address, this field, if it's required or not. The email is always required. You can even here edit all what you want. You can change the label text and even change the way it's shown, as you can see. You can change the placeholder, you can manage what you want, and here when someone will insert the email, this contact will be added to your contacts section inside ClickFunnels 2.0. You will not need an external tool for this. So let's say I want to move this element up. I need to select here and maybe place it here, okay? And now I can decide to send, for example, submit order form, for example, when someone click on this button. This field will be sent to my contacts section, and I can also activate this enable redirect override, so when someone clicks here, you can choose where they will go, in what page they will go. Let me go again in my main page, because I want to try to build very quickly a funnel. So let me click here on funnels. You can have recipes, I don't know what it is, to be honest, and create funnel. Here is my first funnel. You can choose your URL and create funnel. Now, as you can see, this part is completely changed from the older version of ClickFunnels for the older way of building funnels. This is the same workflow of the email marketing workflow. So you build funnels in the same way. For example, let me click on the plus here. I want to create a page. This will be my opt-in page, for example. Let's choose this one, the opt-in 5. Opt-in, okay, create page. You can preview here or you can edit. Let me see. Okay, this is an already made template. You can build it from scratch, or you can use one of these templates and make it yours, obviously. Let's say it's good. Here you can even preview in the mobile view, so you can adjust what you want. For example, you have your settings, background, typography, editor settings, your code, your pop-ups, your assets, layout, and so on. Now let me go again on my structure here. So I now want to add another page. This page will be a thank you page, for example. Let's choose this one. I see there are really a few pages, a few templates at the moment, but again, the official launch of this platform will be next Monday, so I think this is why it's not 100% complete. This is our thank you page. Let me create a page here. Okay, here again I can edit my thank you page. You can obviously change what you want here. And this can be a really simple funnel. Let me see here in the opt-in page where you configure what happens when someone insert their data. By clicking here on reserve your spot, I think it will open a pop-up. Okay, so show pop-up here. This is my form email. By clicking here, email address required, label text email, and this is already set up in this case. The button, let me check the settings, submit order form. Perfect. You can choose even the text that appears while submitting, and this is how you manage your funnels. One thing I'm seeing here that I don't really like too much is that you don't have at the moment any ready template. I don't know if I'm not seeing some other page, but oh, maybe it's here, recipes. Okay, here you can choose between some already made funnels to generate leads, for example, or to sell a product. Opt-in funnel, reverse squeeze page, lead magnet, bridge funnel, squeeze page funnel, live demo funnel, hero funnel, application funnel, ask campaign. These are at the moment the templates. I think new ones will come. Let me try to open this lead magnet funnel. Okay, it's already done in this case. Create a funnel. Perfect. Let me see. Okay, it's not an entire funnel, it's just a structure. Then you need to insert your templates, your pages, and so on. I think this part can be better. Okay, this is where you build your funnels. Now, as I said at the beginning, there is one thing that I don't like too much about this new platform. As you can see, there are some little bugs, especially in the blog section at the moment. I think they will also add new things because it's not complete at the moment. But what I don't really like, it's the pricing part. Now, I'm not talking about the price itself. It's the fact that I can't find here in the platform how much I'm paying with this plan, or better, I know how much it will cost this plan, but I can't see options. For example, if I go here in the settings part and in the billing section, I can see only this orders part with the trailing. As you can see, I didn't pay nothing for this. I can see other data, I can see my payment method, but there is nothing about different plans. There is nothing about how to upgrade or downgrade the plan. I hope this is something temporary, because I think they need to be transparent with people. With the older version, you could find prices, how to upgrade and downgrade and so on. At the moment, I don't see anything like this here. This is the part I don't like too much. I found a prices table online, but it's something released more than 1 year ago, when they started to talk about ClickFunnels 2.0, so I don't want to show it to you because maybe I'm wrong. I only know that this plan, and I think it's unlimited in this case, because I don't see any limits when I build something. It will cost $297 monthly. If you subscribe now, so if you subscribe with this 5 days challenge, and if you upgrade to VIP as I showed you before, in this case you will pay 297. So if this is the price of the unlimited plan, I think it's good, but I can't really know it because it's not specified in any part. I can only see these 30 days free from today, then just 297 monthly. You can cancel anytime, and so on. I can't find any pricing plan. Anyway, if I have to guess, I think the price will be slightly higher than the previous version for the basic plan. But if you have a business and you will use massively ClickFunnels, I think this 297 monthly can be a good offer because eventually the price will go up after the launch. So in that case it could be good. I'm curious to see if in the next days they will release the official pricing plan and how you can maybe upgrade or downgrade the ClickFunnels 2.0 plan. Okay, so if you want to try this platform by yourself, click on the link here below my video. You will reach this page, insert your email address, you will need to upgrade for free to VIP. You can use the platform for 30 days without paying nothing, and then decide if you want to keep your new ClickFunnels 2.0 or cancel your account. I anyway suggest you to subscribe to this 5 days challenge if you are seeing this video before October 10th, because you will learn a ton of things. One of the good things about ClickFunnels is the community, is the great marketing adventure where you can learn a ton of things. If you want to start your business online, if you want to sell products, if you want to build funnels, even for others, because you can even become an expert in building funnels and create them for others and earn a lot of money in this case. So again, here you can watch all this page and subscribe to the launch of ClickFunnels 2.0 and this 5 days challenge. And another thing, when you will gain access to the platform, you will also have this dashboard with some courses. These are not available at the moment, but it's the funnelology. As you can see here, if I click, you can watch all these lessons: the secrets formula framework, the hook story offer framework, the value ladder framework, and so on. You can learn a lot of things. Okay, that's all for this long video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I've helped some of you by showing you this new ClickFunnels 2.0 platform. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in another video.